Understanding the complexities of how medical treatment is provided is fundamental in servicing the healthcare sector throughout the world. Demographic, political, economic, and environmental changes are just some of the reasons for the growing treatment requirements and cost pressures facing the healthcare industry today. Servicing the healthcare sector involves far more than preventing cross-contamination and maintaining a lean and effective operational setup. It also requires a certain amount of patient care and the ability to interact with vulnerable people and busy hospital staff. ISS Healthcare specializes in balancing quality and cost to best support healthcare professionals in delivering operational excellence and a positive patient experience, in addition to their everyday medical treatment, centered around the patient's needs. Singapore is recognized internationally for its world-class healthcare sector, and one of its flagship medical establishments is the Singapore General Hospital, where ISS provides cleaning, pest control, portering and porch services. In 2010, the relationship was expanded to also include facility management, including mechanical and electrical, and energy management. At the National University Hospital, ISS Singapore has introduced an integrated bed management system called eHIMS. It stands for Electronic Housekeepers Intelligence Management System, and it has led to more than a 50% increase in efficiency in preparing hospital beds between patients.
Innovations like the mopping system, innovations like the eHIMS or the bed management systems are all these practices that we acquire from the ISS network.
Close association with the healthcare sector in Singapore started about 10 years ago when ISS Singapore developed a strong working relationship with ISS UK. The focus was on the sharing of best practices.
This ability to acquire best practices from the ISS network, coupled with our ability to customize our local knowledge, the people we have as a combination, is a powerful tool.
In the world of healthcare, ISS supplies all of its service lines: facility management, catering, security, cleaning, support, and property services. In the UK, ISS still leads the field of healthcare services. Public-private partnerships, the so-called PPP-PFI initiative, has provided an interesting development opportunity for ISS.
The Private Finance Initiative is all about essentially designing, funding, building and then operating and then leasing back an infrastructure. In our case it was hospitals, of course, leasing it back to the health authority or the NHS trust as it is. And we are now probably the largest provider of facilities services within the PFI. We are developing a process for assessing individual patients as they come in, working with nursing staff. I think that's very important to emphasise, so we can really help our clients to deliver the outcomes that they are responsible for, which of course in healthcare is making patients better.
Today, the healthcare sector constitutes more than 10% of ISS revenue, and it is one of the most important markets for the group. In order to drive the international development of healthcare services, a Centre of Excellence has been established at corporate level, with the purpose of better understanding the needs of patients and how ISS can further support the work carried out by medical professionals. After all, the aim of ISS is to help healthcare organizations to become better at what they do, which is to treat and cure patients. ISS, a world of service.